scared, Dolly? It's just a statue. Come on, there is nothing to be worried. Look, he's not scary. Oh no! Huh? What'd he run? Uh-oh, something's not right. Oh, sorry! Don't hurt me! Huh? What was that? Is it real? I don't know, but it's large and scary. Huh? Huh? What happened? That was fun. I was fooling around. Look, it's a robo-dino, and we can control it. Really? A toy? Yeah! Here, try it! Yay! So good! Now, it's in my control! Oh, giant feet? Huge tail? Big body? Sharp teeth? And scary eyes? Cheer! We love this new toy! Oh dear, I love playing with you.
Hey Teddy, do you want to go for a ride with me? Oh, yes, I'm in. Are you ready now? Okay, let's go! Teddy bear rides the bus. Teddy bear says hi, hi. Teddy bear jumps up, up. Teddy bear came down, down. Teddy bear loves wheels on the bus.
Huh? A swing? Huh? Oh, my sweetie, do you like to swing?